Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair, and today I'm back with a topic that many people are interested in. Can you air dry hair extension? Don't leave the screen because here's what you need to know about the questions. Can you air dry hair extensions? So, can you air dry hair extensions? My answer to these questions is absolutely yes. However, you need to consider a few factors before deciding to air dry your hair extensions. The first factor is the characteristic of your hair extensions. If your hair extension is a non-glue type, air drying will be very simple and you can just let your hair dry freely. But most hair extensions on the market are glued, so you will need to do a few extra steps before air drying. The first step is to use a dry cotton towel to absorb all the water from the hair. This will help you reduce the time it takes for your hair to dry on its own. The second step is to use the dryer. Do not use any heat of the dryer, as that can damage your hair. Use the cool setting of your dryer and blow dry gently around your hair extensions. Dry gently until your hair is about 70% dry. Although this drying process may take you 7 to 10 minutes, do not rush and lose patience. And remember, do not comb your hair during this drying process because at this time, your hair is wet and very easily damaged and broken. After your hair is about 70% dry, leave the rest to the air. The air will dry your hair extension and keep your hair in top conditions. If you follow this step I mentioned above correctly, I guarantee that your hair extension will be least likely to become dry and frizzy. Once you have found the answer to the question, can you air dry hair extension? You will find that using natural air to dry your hair extension has many benefits. The first benefit of air drying hair extension is that it will save you a lot of drying time. Normally, if you blow dry on cool setting, it will take you about 15 to 20 minutes to dry your hair. The second benefit of air drying hair extension is that it will help your hair extension avoid damage from prolonged heat exposure. And the third and most important benefit of air drying hair extension is that it helps your hair extension stay smooth and shiny. Do not forget to use conditioner to keep your hair extension in the best conditions. And that's what you need to know about can you air dry hair extension. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.